Yes, you're listening to Procyon on television, and it's about 9 o'clock, and it's time for the program Make Them Talk. Make Them Talk, like you know, is a program that we are simulcasting on Procyon radio and television, and it's a program where we look at issues happening in the community from everyday people on the street talking about these issues, and we are bringing to the radio in the language that they can easily relate with. So my people are welcome to Make Them Talk. My name is Ehis, Agbon. Make Them Talk, like we know a program where we say, we go, they carry the things where we say they reign inside town, the thing where people they talk about for town, carry on radio and television so that make even other people begin the chook mouth put. And like we know, we get analysts for studio where they dilate these things for us so that countrymen will not sabi or understand and will also see them from a different angle and from a different light. To be part of the program, Make Them Talk, if you call our studio line, will be 0809 799 1989. We now also if you drop WhatsApp message for 0809 799 1989. You never finish show. For those people who say that for like to go our social media portal, like for YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Thread, our social media handle that they call a unified one, that's one name across everywhere. Now Procyon RTV. For people who listen on radio that they hear us, that they spell Procyon as PROCYONROTV. Now him with the way we say now take get the spelling and come arrange the thing for us. So once again, at Procyon RTV, that be our name for all the social media handle. My guest like now known as Mazi, Uche, Ijegalu. Mazi, welcome to Ground Zero. Welcome to Make Them Talk this morning.
I greet you now. Today will be good.
All right. Now don't hear Mazi. So for the program today, like we know, we start the program by going to Truth Nigeria. Truth Nigeria is one news media organization where we say that they really support us for Procyon radio and television, and also support us for Make Them Talk. For Truth Nigeria today, plenty to read day inside because they look them 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3. But remember, Truth Nigeria, their website is truthnigeria.com. Truthnigeria.com. And their own be saying that they help everybody to discover the truth about Nigeria. Today for the website of Truth Nigeria, the first story where I'll just first of all give you all the story where their landing page so that I will choose the one I would like to go read. Then we'll choose one when we also choose to further highlight. For truthnigeria.com today, we get the first headline for their landing page, maybe Seizure of Plateau land jumped 200% in 3 years, tribal coalition. And the second headline for truthnigeria.com now, President Tinubu sparks outrage by freeing accused Fulani militia leader Bello Bodejo. And the third headline, well, there for Truth Nigeria landing page now, remembering the martyrs of Owo. And the fourth headline there be OPEC extends Nigeria's oil production bonanza in 2025 to 2025 rather. All the story at truthnigeria.com, I will see them. Make una go there, go read them so that una go understand how it be, and also una go feel know wetin be the major when they say the story. Other story wey dey for truthnigeria.com, their homepage be mining site collapse, traps dozen, one confirmed dead. This one a story where we say sweet too much to hear for here. When I go through Nigeria, go find out the details of what's in the inside. Nigeria police to launch comprehensive drone system to boost national security. All right, this one another story where we say we're supposed to go check out that truthnigeria.com. Now in this story day, the next story here be UAE opens door to Nigerian again. UAE opens doors to Nigeria again. Long-awaited visa ban reportedly lifted. So, no Dubai now. Dubai the UAE, and UAE stands for United Arab Emirates. So, there will be no see that we ban our people. They don't really give us visa after some bad things. So some bad people go to for that side. They come ban every Nigeria. Now they say they don't, it be like say they don't leave time and I go read the story, make una know the cocoa of inside the story. From that one, we go the next story where the Nigerian Labour Union relax work strike. Nigerians hopeful for fair minimum wage. Minimum wage talk don't tell, and it don't dey rain, everybody they talk about it everywhere. And other stories they inside the website there. So make una go truthnigeria.com, go check out the story where they there, and get the one where we say una go read and understand them. Yes, the program I make them talk, and they record it now for Procyon radio and television. So Mazi, now we will enter and we will check the major things where they inside all of the story. We'll start from the major one from Truth Nigeria, where we seizure of Plateau land jumped 200% in 3 years. Tribal coalition. This story, a story we I need to look at, because now 151 villages now they don't seize in 15 years. And when they seize them, now people when they say they be terrorists, because as Truth Nigeria put on, they show the different places, the different villages where all these people don't collect, and they label the map where they be part of violent Islamization of Plateau State. And I will see the story, we could read and get details of all of the story. Plateau State expected to have Muslim majority by 2027. Let's look at the plans of the people they do the bad things with that. We also get religious war, dubbed farmer harder clash. People say that one when they talk about farmer harder, not be people they carry cow and people they plant, but rather they say na religious war now they happen for there, and then they also come to say role of Fulani tribe and all of that one. Maybe I just go to Nigeria.com, we could go carry the story, read them and understand how it did. The title of that story again, a seizure of Plateau land jumps 200% in 3 years. Tribal coalition. From that one, we will enter the next set of story, where be the newspaper review. The newspaper review today will get plenty papers, so we say we will review. Among the papers we will get now Blueprint newspaper, The Nation newspaper, Vanguard newspaper, Daily Trust newspaper. We will also check inside the Punch, and we will wrap them up with Guardian newspaper. We'll quickly just open there and look what it inside there, 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3. And for inside Blueprint newspaper, the major story we will pick, then I will recover 700 billion loan, old liquidated Heritage Bank. Now NDIC they talk and the rider that the small people with the story carry be say assures customers of their assured deposit. Assures customers of their insured deposit. And the second picture with the headline carry says cooperation ready for litigation over process. Also, it's a Blueprint the story of Rufai siphoned 423 billion naira. Cabinet Assembly alleges they inside there. And from Blueprint to go check the Nation. For inside the Nation, we get Rufai false report of alleged 423 billion naira fraud. And the picking where the headline carry, lawmakers sent findings to probe panel. Sent findings of probe panel to anti-graft agencies. And also for the Nation, the other headline way also carry weight there be court orders for feature of 11 billion properties linked to Emefiele. From the Nation, we enter Vanguard newspaper, and the major story waiting for front of Vanguard newspaper talks the federal government's failure to make fresh offers towards wage talk. This one has story waiting for the major side inside Vanguard newspaper. And apart from that, other small story also there inside, like Edo Guba, why some politicians are angry with Obaseki. This one they come from Martins, now one PDP chieftain for the state. And the story of Kaduna Assembly and Rufai also there. And US lawmakers don't petition Biden, say Binance executive wrongfully detained by Nigeria. That story and plenty, and then fully inside the Vanguard. From Vanguard, we'll quickly look inside the Daily Trust, and the major story we carry weight for front of the Daily Trust newspaper. Now, Northern senators, Agbon reject bill restricting headers movement. this story, that story where we say plenty people they talk about that for Nigeria, and they said the small picking with the headline carry, they said proposed law driven by emotions, that pastoralists, that's people get farmers, they talk those ones, and they also talk say ranching will end our clash with herders. Farmers talk that one. And lastly, all Nigerians have a right to live anywhere in the country. Now, Barao talk that one. All of these ones and many more they for Daily Trust. We're gonna go to Daily Trust, go find out what's in the inside there. The next story, the next paper, na Punch newspaper, where we get minimum wage talk. That's still here. Finance Minister submit templates to Tinubu today. And tripartite committee awaits templates to resume negotiation by 2 p.m. of today. Customs intercepted 3.9 billion pangolin scales in Kebbi. All of these ones, that's story where they inside the Punch. All right, and the last paper for today, now the Guardian newspaper, where we get cautious optimism as federal government unveils new fiscal deal to revive economy. Other small story full there, the Kaduna State Assembly talk dey there, and also court wey don order substituted service of Ganduje for the bribery case, also dey inside the front page of the Guardian newspaper. Now we don hear the headlines, but we come enter inside the talk of the story. We will start from the first one. This one wey seizure of Plateau land jumped by 200% in the past 3 years. That's people they struggle and hustle to seize land, seize villages, and this is a part of violent Islamization of Plateau State. Mazi, what's here and how you see this story this morning?
Well, as you dey read through the newspaper, I just dey think over the seizure of land. When people say if something bad come bad, say e reach 1 year, 2 years, e go don turn tradition. You know what is, you know say bad though, and they see am say na bad thing because you don dey normal, e don become tradition, you don become normal. But na bad thing.
That's normalizing badness.
I'm telling you. So seizing people's land, and Plateau people, me I don't understand. I don't feel just there. I don't understand though, because before you know, they will come name another state.
Now, what thing they happen with that? Because from the details of the story, now if you enter, it's like where they talk say by 2027, because as I'm now Plateau a predominantly Christian state and indigenous full land, they say by 2027 the state fit don turn to an Islamic state, and the people they come fight them, and everybody knows na Fulani people they come fight them. There, Fulani go take over the whole of Plateau state, go turn Fulani state.
Well, I no go talk too much for this matter, but the only thing I go talk be say if snake no do wetin take be snake, children go take am do belt.
Person wey get tongue, make it take account the teeth wey dey in mouth. Na talk na Mazi talk so. From that one we come look inside newspaper. One major story wey be say full almost all of the paper. First of all, na this Kaduna State issue wey be say the Kaduna State House of Assembly talk say their former governor Rufai say he siphoned 423 billion naira, and that they don't hand them over to and anti-graft agents, that's EFCC and ICPC, the people they look corruption team. This talk, how you see them with all the work where Rufai do?
Well, maybe you don't sit down and calculate the work wey you do, because you say with all the work wey you don do. I know Kaduna. Me, they born me for Kaduna. And I dey Kaduna where Rufai the governor of Kaduna. I know how uncomfortable.
Yes.
I know how uncomfortable plenty people dey hear me now dey during his reign as the governor of Kaduna. Only thing I wan talk here be say EFCC make una do una work, because person wey carry black stick slap person for eye go into if the black stick come make e keep him eye make receive am.
So you do me, I do you. God no vex. Now the popular thing wey countryman dey talk be that. Well, another story wey be say still reign for almost all of the paper now. This Heritage Bank where they talk say the major thing wey make the bank crash na 700 billion naira loan when they give out wey people no gree pay back. So e come make the bank enter distress. Na im make wey crash be that wey CBN withdraw their license. Now NDIC wey be say they call the Nigerian Deposit Insurance Corporation, wey be say any bank wey get wahala they take am over, pay the people their money. Talk say then they assure every customer say dem go pay them the money when they are insured deposits. When they talk of insured deposit now, e different from money when you put to how you see this one?
E no sweet me.
Why you say e no sweet you?
Because you don't carry politics come inside now. Which have insured deposit? Deposit no be same process they take the deposit. If you the time when you go stand for that counter, they deposit your money. They find out for you say this one insured, this one no be insured.
No, that they tell people, but people know they read them. That they actually.
The truth be say the awareness to the now no be pidgin me they discuss this thing.
Yes.
So that the least person go understand what they talk.
That's true, you talk.
What is the production? Production the breaking of production process into different particles, into smaller particles. You understand me? If you reach the final consumer, it means the process not complete.
Yeah.
But now, see am, they don't talk about insured. The bank insurance company,
so
they know.
They insure their money.
So well, whatever it is, everything you try for one part. We want to make sure people get their money and this NDIC is now to heal. NDIC I hear now, people get their money. But anyhow, that people wey insure their money go big plenty. But that one wey he wants small, two more than 2 little children, make the thing complete.
You know, even as they talk this one, I hear say, make I quickly see whether I fit chook I put for inside NDIC and see what they mean by this deposit insurance and insured deposit talk. They say deposit insurance is a system established by government to protect depositors against loss of their insured deposit placed with member institution in the event that member institution is unable to meet its obligation to depositors. It engenders public confidence in and promotes the stability of the banking system by ensuring savers of their funds. And I believe say if na go NDIC their website, na go fit get the details of this one. But I know say insured deposit na a particular amount as private individuals, person wey get savings account, person wey get current account, person wey get corporate account. They dey different category by category like that. And if people maybe 300,000, if your insured deposit na 50,000, once the bank crash, at all, that 50,000 they must give you.
Okay.
So you no go just go home empty.
Okay, that let me see now at all.
At all. Yes.
If I break am down.
At all, dey.
Because na pidgin we dey use here.
Yes.
This and that. Okay, my people. At all go reach anybody wey in money dey insured through NDIC.
All right. Yes, and the last one I would like me to look na this Ganduje issue wey no make we look this Emefiele wey be say court say the property wey worth 11 billion wey dem link to Emefiele say you go forfeit am by force. How you see that one?
This one no be talk now. They don't even need to talk about am. They don't need to even advertise am at all. How many billion they talk? You know amount wey dey say 1 billion. Somebody go carry the money wey all of us get for this country, take am dey do buga. Oga, give us our property.
And this other one wey dey inside Daily Trust is still linked with that issue of Plateau State wey we talked earlier, where some senators dey talk say this one when they go allow people dey carry nama and waka from Lagos to Sokoto, Akwa Ibom to Maiduguri, say they wan stop am. Na him some northern senators no gree because na Senate be carry am for ground, they wan pass one law say make dem dey restrict movement. Na northern senators and Macban wey be this Cattle Breeders Association of Nigeria, they reject the bill restricting herders movement, and pastoralists and farmers they talk say yes na correct thing, while all Nigerians have the right to move anywhere. Na Barau talk this one. How you see this one generally?
Na very good statement in talk. All Nigerians have the right to live anywhere.
move anywhere.
Move anywhere, they get the right. But they don't say what is good for the G's is good for the Ganda agenda they call them.
What's good for Tolo is good for Agbon.
Now so now no problem. Cow, more than fly. No, I don't have a problem with that. But here people they train rabbit. Rabbit more than give them free movement anywhere. People they train pig, free movement anywhere. People they train goat, free dog, any animal. Since we don't they allow and make all the animals they free anywhere. If na pig we decide to go Zamfara, make it walk up. If na dog, if na goat, you decide to go Enugu, make it move.
If na Jackie,
make nobody talk because I don't dey see am one kind. Understand me? So since we want am like that, if like say me now, I go venture into one na rats I go start dey train big ones, then I go start dey comot them, make nobody complain. Since e be like
that. I know say TV people go happy well.
No problem.
All right. That one, and I think we will take end the program today because every other story we did and story what we don't talk before, and we believe say countryman understand that now. All I need to do now to go to the website of procyonnews.com. Plenty of these stories there procyonnews.com already. Procyonnews.com now the publishing arm of Procyon Media. And maybe I don't forget that Procyon Media. Now him get Procyon Radio, now him get Procyon Television, now him get procyonnews.com. Anyone wanna go? Now we still did there, and we arrange all these things because when I don't see this life where we did, so there many people where they see, they know they hear. For procyonnews.com, we can serve them. You get people where they hear, they know they see. For Procyon Radio, you go serve them. And for people where they see, they hear, they read, and they feel do this thing, Procyon Television go serve now. So that's why they encourage you now again. Say make una go download that Procyon Radio and TV app, because Procyon Radio and TV app now one-stop shop to provide all your media need and communication need. Because for there you go watch Procyon Television, for there you go hear Procyon Radio, for there you go read procyonnews.com. Now one-stop shop. Now Google Play Store, now here now go make una search for Procyon Radio and TV app. Download and install them for your mobile device, for your phone, your Android, your iPhone, whatever phone where they fit install and download something, download and put so that it go there your pocket, you go carry and go everywhere. Mazi, thank you very much. So you come
thank again
you, for studio to come delegate all these things, give countryman and countrywoman. And if you get before we enter studio, you just come from field, you go play ball. Tell me about this competition where they go on now.
Yes, now ICWA they call the people who organize them will be Igbo Community Welfare Association where they Kaduna, where the head of that group now Chief Uche Francis Ani, I be the President General of Igbo Association for Kaduna. The program will really start on 4th of August till 6th of October 2024 for Correctional Staff Center, where they know as Prison Staff College. You know, say now na Correctional Staff Center, understand? Then the screening for the program now for Van O they go do am. You go start this Monday, will be 10th. It is opposite St. Gerard's Hospital.
For Kakuri
by Kashia Road now.
Yes,
Kashia Road.
Yes, okay.
Opposite St. Gerard's.
Okay.
You know, you go and the screening will start on the 10th, will be on 10th of this month, will be inside will be June, till 1st of July. Understand? For that Van O. And anybody who go participate for that tournament, you must be 40 years and above.
Oh, they know what's more.
Yes. If you know these 40 years, stay come. Yes, now just come enjoy, now to make merry. You understand? So now the side of the program is that, and the chairman of this committee, they see him now, also Obinabo JP. He's the one in charge of the program. Understand? Okay. In my program this morning, I don't run my talking name. Now go see the number.
Which one be that your program?
Ani Bundibo. Program.
Not be 8 o'clock every day.
Every day. You go see him. I go see him there. That's what it be.
All right. Before I go, I still want to ask you now. This one, I know I passed 40 years, so I qualified. But I said, don't be Igbo. I go take free participate.
No, the program is meant for Igbo people. Na Igbo program. It's meant for 5 eastern states.
Okay,
And it's highly competitive.
Now that one I want you clarify.
Yes.
Now that I want you. Well, now here we'll end the program today. I want to thank everybody who will be part of the production. I'll start all the way from Dominic Emmanuel, will be saying I mix all the picture work and if you see us and hear us for Procyon Radio. I also want to thank Nifemi. They do research and they also help us with 1 or 2 things. And we would like to thank Sarah Agbon. That should be the producer of the program. My name now Ehis Agbon. Until tomorrow, well, don't forget, 9 o'clock in the morning and 9 o'clock in the night, every day, now he make them talk. They come meet now. Like always, we go talk, so we can continue to shine like the star where una be. Una, bye-bye, yo.
Say you want know the truth about Nigeria? Now for Truth to Nigeria, you go find them. Your ogbonge correct authentic news where they dilute the matter proper. Or yeah, check truthnigeria.com for the true story where matter from government go enter international politics. Discover the truth behind the headlines. Truth to Nigeria. Now where the fact they jam body with clarity. Oya, discover the truth about Nigeria today. Just visit truthnigeria.com now.